You want to capture the perfect video? First, bring your camera case to location. Lay out all your camera gears. Now, hope you didn't forget to charge the multiple batteries to your camera setup. Install the camera to the gimbal, balance the gimbal, turn on the gimbal, turn on the camera. Now figure out how to connect the lights and monitor. We built a better way. Hi, this is Jason, creator of Idolcam. Today, video cameras have amazing sensors. As soon as users start moving, video becomes shaky and not fun to watch. In order to capture stable video, you need expensive and complex equipment. As a creator in drones and camera gimbal with background in commercial photography, I knew I could build a camera that can simplify the process. I wanted a camera that is small and flexible, requires no setup, and allow anyone to shoot pro-level video. So I created Idolcam. Idolcam is the first pocket-sized camera that can do it all. You are always one click away from capturing stunning videos. The integrated 3-axis gimbal in 4K resolutions ensures your precious moment go from shaky to smooth. With the interchangeable lens system, users can quickly go from fisheye lenses of action cameras to close-up lenses of DSLR cameras, eliminating the need to bring multiple cameras. While most cameras lack lighting options, with Idolcam, users can still look great in dimly lit places with its beauty and spotlight. Are you a selfie fanatic? With the ability to change lens angle along with selfie touchscreens and also an app for preview and control the aim of the camera up to 100 feet away, selfies are no longer bound by the length of your arms, nor need to take turns to take group photos. If you're into sports, Idolcam captures your fast and exciting moments in stable and cinematic videos that you will be proud to share with your friends and family. Many of today's memorable videos are captured with complex camera setups that require teams of specialists to operate. With Idolcam, a selfie stick is all you need to mimic many of the blockbuster camera movements. For the perfectionist users, a 4th-axis suspension arm will further reduce the vertical motions that 3-axis gimbal cannot compensate, produce true flying motions comparable to drones and Steadicams. Furthermore, users can switch off the gimbal and use Idolcam as a regular camera. It also features a connector for drones and remote control and a mic input for high-quality audio. Finally, time-lapse no longer requires the purchase of a motorized head. Hyperlapse not needing a tripod, all made possible due to the amazing stability of Idolcam. So whether you're a professional looking for the perfect on-the-go solution, or a beginner needing a device to capture your vacation and daily life in movie fashion, Idolcam is the next level up video camera that captures all your moments perfectly every time. Idolcam is being tested in the field right now. We need your help to ramp up productions. Support our campaign today, and you'll be the first to receive Idolcam. We have got exclusive rewards for early backers and some awesome stretch goal rewards. Every shot in this video is captured with Idolcam. We are excited with the quality that we've been getting. Can't wait to see all the amazing videos that you will be capturing.